Hey, I'm Fern Marcus. I'm the founder of Regine Tweezers. Thank you so much for joining me. So let's talk about how we care for, maintain, and clean our tweezers. So all of our tweezers are 100% surgical grade stainless steel. This is literally like a medical implement. So you can really clean this by any hospital grade sterilization or sanitation. It will never rust or tarnish, and they will last a lifetime. So after tweezing, what I love to do is either use like an antibacterial soap, alcohol, run it under hot water, like vigorous hot water, make sure those tips are super clean. The tweezer will be like new again. I also love using an alcohol wipe like this. You just sort of take the wipe, put it in between the tip of the tweezer, clean off the sides, it will be like new. And then really important is every tweezer comes with a red gummy end cap. This is not disposable packaging. Always keep this on the tip of your tweezer and it will last a lifetime. So again, you can clean them with antibacterial soap, alcohol wipe, hot water. Make sure those tips are super clean. When those tips are clean, the tweezer will work like new. It will never require sharpening, and keep that cap on the tweezer and you literally have it forever. So happy tweezing.